late. Hello, Dinah.
Hello, Noddy.
Thanks, Mr. Plod.
Look, it's Noddy. Look at us, Noddy.
Sorry, can't stop, little Skittles. Hello, Wiz. Hello, Lindy. Beep.
Hello, Noddy.
Here you are, Tessie. The music.
Thanks, Noddy. Just in time. Ready, paper dolls? We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Yeah!
Oh, Gobbo, listen to all that music and dancing.
Look at the funometer, Sly.
We'll soon put a stop to their fun. I present the Goblin Gizmo Sound Sucker.
What does it do?
It sucks up sound, silly.
Wow, that bird's lost its tweet. Oh, can I have a go? Can I have a go?
This is not a toy, Gobbo. It's a very delicate instrument.
Yeah, but...
Come on, we've got some fun to spoil.
My sing-along machine. It's broken.
Never mind. We can make our own music. Come on, everyone. Join in. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Go, 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 go.
Gobbo, are you having fun?
Who, me? No, not me. I can't stand fun. Look.
Right.
Our spoons.
What's happened to my big noisy feet?
Can I have a go? Can I? Oh, please.
Very peculiar.
Ow, Sly!
The goblins. Bumpy. Don't worry, Bumpy. We'll get your bark back.
This sound sucker's a real fun buster.
Oh, I wouldn't know. You never let me use it. Oh, go on, Sly, please. Pretty, please.
Oh, stop whining.
whining. I just want to go.
Be quiet, Gobbo. Brilliant.
Oh, come on, Sly. I'd really like a go, and you've had it all the time. It's not fair.
I said be quiet.
There they are.
No, I don't care how much you want to go, Gobbo. It's my toy. I mean, my delicate instrument. Noddy, why didn't you tell me? Oh!
Quickly, Carl. You're getting away with all the sounds. Look out! What a noise! Cuckoo! Bumpy? Cuckoo!
Listen to those birds. And the cuckoo sounds like Dapple. Oh! Oh, don't worry, Mr. Beetle. It's not the train. It's my whistle.
Toy Town sounds are all mixed up.
Noddy, our tap shoes.
They're beeping like car.
And listen to my sing-along machine.
Oh, that's not funny.
I'm going to find those goblins and put these sounds back where they belong. Oh, a duck. A pirate? What are they doing in the wood? Unless it's not a duck or a pirate at all.
Run for it! It's not funny.
Har, har, har.
Will you stop saying that?
Har, 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 har.
Gobbo!
Har, har.
Right, that's it.
Oh dear, what a mess.
Har, har, har.
Broken? Oh, never mind. I know who can fix it.
Har, har.
Thanks for mending the sound sucker, Wiz.
Har, har.
OK, here goes. So that's all the sounds sucked up. Now we just need to blow them back out in the right order. Well?
Ruff, ruff.
Beep.
My sing-along machine's working. And so are our tap shoes.
Hooray! Looks like everything's back to normal.
Oh, not quite everything, Noddy.
I've heard of tap dancing, but not quack dancing. to play a game of keepy-uppy.
Sounds like fun!
The ball's not allowed to touch the ground. It's okay, I've got it.
More fun. That Noddy never stops.
Don't worry, Sly. I've got a brilliant plan for spoiling the fun.
Oh, have you, Gobbo?
Yeah, all we have to do is...
Well?
No, it's gone.
If only we could get our hands on that ball.
My turn!
Ah! Quick, here comes Noddy. Hide it, Gobbo.
I don't know where.
Hello, Goblins. Can we have our ball back, please?
A ball? What ball? Oh, that ball.
Thank you. You can play too if you want.
Oh, goody! Goodiness me. No thanks, Noddy. Goblins don't play ball games.
Okay, suit yourselves.
Ball game!
We might have got away with that if...
Noddy hadn't seen us.
hadn't seen us. Yes. I have an idea. Not seeing us is what I have in mind. An invisibility device.
Oh, what does it do?
Observe. What do you think of that?
Wow.
Yes. Think of the mischief we can cause now. What's Goblin rule number 1?
Always try and spoil the fun.
I love this game! And I'm really good at it! The ball still hasn't touched the ground!
Whoa! And now it's going off on its own. Come on, Bumpy. After that ball.
That's great, Big Ears.
Oh, no, really, it's nothing.
I love blancmange with cream.
Well, actually, Tessie, it's supposed to be me. That's my beard.
Oh, yes. Now I like it even more.
What? More fun?
No need to let a bit of paint spattering spoil our day. Not when there's a picnic to enjoy.
A picnic? How ghastly. Come on, Gobbo. This calls for major fun stopping.
All right, Sly. Right behind you. Oh!
Ow! Not that close, Gobbo.
Who said that?
Me, you numbskull.
Oh, sorry, Sly.
I know my pastry's light, but that's just silly.
Come on, Bumpy. Follow that picnic.
What has happened to my tools? Lindy, what have I told you? Magic and motors do not mix.
But Whiz, it's nothing to do with me. See?
Meep, meep, malfunction, malfunction. Meep, meep.
Are you two all right?
Ooh, more than all right, Noddy. Googleberry's my favourite flavour.
I've never had one of my own jellies turn on me like that before. What is going on, Noddy?
I'm not sure, but I'm going to find out.
Ruff, ruff.
Just as I thought, this problem is goblin-shaped. Big Ears, I need to set a trap. Any ideas what we could use to catch two naughty goblins?
Well, Noddy, goblins are especially fond of smelly warm cheese on mouldy green bread, followed by rotten egg tart.
Perfect! Can I borrow what's left of your paints?
Help yourself, Noddy.
I'll bet my shiny buttons that you have a big Noddy plan.
Yes, I have. And I'll need your help. Oh, nice and smelly.
What is that scrumptious smell? Oh, can I detect warm cheese? Wait a minute. Mouldy green bread.
Yes, yes.
Rotten egg tart.
It's supper time!
Caught you red-handed. Or should I say green-handed?
I hadn't finished my rotten egg tart. How could you be so cruel?
You've got a bit of paint on you, Sly.
Oh, Gobbo, I wonder about you sometimes.
I've got a bit more paint if you need it, Noddy.
Yes, I think I might have a use for that.
You won't be leaving until you've painted something nice and jolly.
There, will this do?
Ooh, dear, no. This won't do.
Oh.
Oh, very nice, Gobbo. You can go.
Oh, see ya.
Oh.
Oh, keep trying, Sly.
Tessie get ready for her spring picnic. Are you coming?
What do you think, Noddy? Of course we are!
We're all dressed up, aren't we?
We've put our spring dresses on.
Oh, yes. Very smart.
Smart?
Stylish. I'll see you later.
Boys. Whoops! Noddy! I'm glad you're here. Can you help me?
There you are.
Thank you. Better on the trees than on me, Noddy. Let's make the sandwiches with the first honey of the year from my beehive.
I hope your bees have been busy, Tessie.
Me too. This is where they live. We have to be quiet so we don't scare them. Come and see the honey.
Wow. Bzz, bzz, to you too.
Please, can I get inside to get some honey now, bees? Thank you. Noddy, you're making too much noise.
Oops. Sorry, bees.
Hello, Tessie. Hello, Noddy. Is it picnic time yet?
Not quite yet, Jumbo.
Quiet, or you'll scare the bees.
Oops. Oh, sorry. Oh dear. All these lovely flowers. Oh, it's making me want to...
Careful, Jumbo. Not too loud. Oh no! My bees! Your big sneeze has scared them away.
Oh, I am sorry.
Don't worry, Tessie. We'll find your bees.
I hope so, Noddy. Oh, where can they be hiding?
Listen.
Found you!
What? Hey, stop! Who?
Sorry, Mr. Plod. Your snoring sounded like Tessie's bees.
Are you missing some bees, Tessie?
Yes, I am. Have you seen them, Mr. Plod?
No, I can't say that I have. But then it appears I have been asleep. Oh, don't worry. I'll get on the case.
Thanks, Mr. Plod. Bye.
Do you think that could be the bees?
No, it's Wiz.
Hello, Noddy. Hello, Tessie.
Hi, Wiz. Have you seen any bees?
What? I cannot hear you.
Wiz! Switch it off!
What? Oh, all right.
Phew.
Have you seen any bees, Wiz?
Bees? At the airport? Are they arriving by aeroplane?
Wiz, is that you?
No, Lindy.
Oh, bees! It's me, Tessie.
Come on, Tessie. Let's follow them.
There's one.
Where did it go?
Oh, there's another one. Bee, I know you're there. No more sneezing. We promise.
like flowers, don't they?
Bees! Buzz! Hey, bees! Come and smell these lovely flowers.
Hello, Noddy.
Big ears.
Are those for me, Tessie? Oh, that's just how kind.
Well, they were for the bees, actually.
My bees. They were scared by Jumbo sneezing, and now they won't come back.
That explains why I've seen so many in the wood today. Don't worry, I'll help you.
How?
With just a little bit of magic.
Magic?
Bees, behold my mighty powers and follow home 100 flowers. Not what I asked for. Oh, well, I'll have another go.
I'm sure we'll be all right, Big Ears. You don't need to...
No, this will fix it. Oh, bother.
What am I going to do? Everyone will be arriving at my picnic soon, and I want my bees to be there. They're the special guests.
What? Yes, I knew I'd forgotten something. Magic dust. That's not quite what I meant to do.
I think the bees might like it, though.
Thank you, Big Ears. It's too heavy. We'll never move it.
Come on, I've got an idea.
That's it, Noddy. Off you go.
It's working, Noddy. The bees are following us.
What's this?
Hello, Mr. Plod. We found the bees.
See you at the picnic, Mr. Plod.
Oh, well done, Noddy. You found the bees.
See you at the picnic.
Uh-oh, here we go again. Oh, flowers do seem to make me sneeze. Oh, a giant flower could mean a giant sneeze. Oh, I don't want to scare those bees again.
Bring on the honey sandwiches. Oh, they aren't ready yet.
Where are the bees?
The hive looks so empty without them.
And where are Tessie and Noddy?
Hello! Thanks for coming!
Watch out below.
That's one way to arrive at a picnic.
Time for honey sandwiches.
These honey sandwiches are the best ever, Tessie. Even Dapple likes them.
Hello. I thought I might just pop by.
I'll make you a sandwich.
A jumbo-sized sandwich. you ready, Bumpy? Then let's go! It's great to see Toytown from up here. Hello, Skittles!
Wow!
Noddy!
And Bumpy! Hello!
Are you coming to play cricket with us? Oh, yes! I'll see you later!
Noddy! The helicopter is making it windy down here.
Sorry, Tessie. I know you like going in the helicopter, Bumpy. We promised we'd play cricket with the Skittles. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it, Bumpy?
Ahoy there, Noddy!
I know that voice. It's the pirates!
We're sailing to and fro with a yo-ho-ho-ho-ho. Sailing pieces of eight with a pirate mates. Ah, pirate's life is great. And a yo-ho-ho to you, Bumpy.
What brings you to Toytown? You pirates are usually out sailing the seven seas.
A strong wind blew us into the harbour, Noddy.
But now there ain't enough wind to blow us back out to sea. So we thought we'd come and play with you till it gets windy again.
Great! Let me put my helmet away and then we'll go and play with the Skittles. Huh? Where is my helmet?
Oh, what helmet would that be, Noddy?
Oh, that is funny. Oh, it'll turn up. Shall we go and find the Skittles?
Aye!
All fall down! Cricket's my favourite knocking over game!
Hello, Skittles.
It's Noddy! And Bumpy! And the pirates!
Hello, Bumpy.
We love the pirates!
Have you come to play cricket?
We certainly have, haven't we, pirates?
Aye! Arr!
Yeah, good one, Noddy.
Oh, I wanted to get knocked over.
Aye!
What is he doing? You buried the ball.
Aye, Noddy.
That's not how you play cricket.
But Noddy, we pirates love to bury things.
Don't worry. Let's dig it up again.
There's nothing better than a shiny whistle. Look at it sparkle.
What was that, mateys?
It be treasure, perfect for burying. Arr!
Come on, back to the game. Where are the pirates?
They went that way! Following Mr. Plod!
Towards the town square.
Noddy, they've still got our bat!
Don't worry, Skittles. We'll get it back. I hope those pirates aren't causing trouble. Come on, everyone.
Very peculiar.
What's the matter, Mr. Plod?
I stopped for a chat with those pirate fellows, put my whistle down here. Next time I looked, it had gone.
It's those silly pirates!
Yeah, they took our bats.
What?
The Skittles are right, Mr. Plod. The pirates love to bury things, even things which don't belong to them.
My word! We can't be having that in Toy Town.
Come on, Mr. Plod. Let's catch them before they bury anything else.
Noddy, you haven't seen my car horn, have you? The pirates passed by and now it's disappeared.
Follow us, Jumbo. We'll get it back.
Oh, righty-o.
Oh, dearie me.
Don't tell me, Tessie. Something's gone missing.
Yes, Noddy, my picnic basket.
And I bet it was there just a minute ago.
Why, yes. I unpacked the picnic and... Noddy, did you hide it?
No, I didn't, Tessie. But I know who did.
The pirates!
And I think I know how to stop their silliness.
Look at this, matey.
It be treasure.
No more burying today, pirate.
It be Noddy.
You can't go around burying other people's things.
Sorry, Noddy. It's just what pirates like to do.
But people don't like it when their things go missing.
Sorry, everyone.
Can you remember where you buried everything?
Aye, aye. We made this map, Noddy. Everything we buried, we marked with an X.
I think we can have some fun with this. Who wants to go on a treasure hunt?
What a top idea!
Me.
Then let's go!
My turn to get bowled over.
Anyone for a sandwich?
Everyone's got their things back, but there's still one cross left.
Oh, afraid we can't remember what we buried there, Noddy. Yeah. Ah, that's what we buried.
I've got a windy idea how to get you pirates back out to sea.
What do you mean? I don't understand. Why is he saying a bit?
Woo! Not again!
We're ready, Noddy.
Then here comes the wind!
Bye, Noddy.
See you soon. Arr! Thanks for your wind, Noddy. Arr!
Bye, pirates! Okay, Bumpy. One last flight around Toy Town.
Come here. Oh, you are a wriggly little skittle today.
Hello, Skittles.
Noddy's here!
I'm excited. You want to be sandwiches? Hello, Mrs. Skittle.
Hello, Noddy. What a great day for a picnic.
I know.
Hello, everyone.
Let me help you, Tessie.
Thank you, Noddy.
Ooh, it's really heavy.
I packed extra everything. I wanted to be sure we've got enough for all the little Skittles.
Did you hear that? Extra everything. Ooh.
Let's go now! We're on our way.
Have a wonderful time, children.
I know the perfect place for our picnic.
Noddy, will we see the Toyland Express going past?
Yes, we will. It shouldn't be long now.
I want to play trains. Come on,
The Toyland Express is coming! When we finished our picnic, we could go for a ride.
Yes, please!
There they are. It's starting again. Look! Fun! What are they saying?
Oh, they're talking about going for a ride on the train. Can we go on the train too?
No.
Oh.
They want a ride on the train, do they? That gives me an idea.
Are you going to eat something, little Skittles? We have sandwiches, jelly, muffins. We don't want anything. We're going on the train.
Oh, I hope your plan works, Sly.
Of course it will. My plans always work.
Oh, we're going to see the train. We're going to see the train.
Why are you so excited?
It's coming. The train is coming. It's the Toyland Express.
It's not stopping. Why isn't it stopping?
Hello, train.
You see, I told you my plans always work.
Oh!
Where did they come from? Oh, better go.
Oh, this is completely fantastic. I'm actually climbing aboard the Toyland Express.
We don't have all day.
Wow, this is fantastic. I can't believe I'm on the Toyland Express. I mean, the actual Toyland Express. Oh, and it's powered by a tightly wound, double-ended rocking clockwork crank. This is brilliant. Oh, What are you doing, Sly?
I'm trying to get the train moving.
I know how to do it. Oh, let me.
Yes. Well, of course, I was going to do that next.
Oh, our train's just fantastic.
Stop that train, goblins!
Make way for the Goblin Express.
Bye.
Where's the train going?
I thought we were going on the train.
Don't worry, Skittles. You'll get your turn. I have a big Noddy plan. Come on, car. We have a train to catch.
You can slow the train down now, Gobbo.
Me?
Yes. You don't know how, do you? Fine, I'll do it myself. How hard could it be?
Oh, let me. I've always wanted to do that.
Come on, car. The goblins are getting away.
Hello, Mr. Beetle.
But Gobbo, it's your fault we can't stop.
I can't help it if I don't know how to stop the train.
Hold on, car.
What was that noise?
The train's going too fast. I'll see you later, car.
I told you to go and see what that noise was, Gobbo.
Noddy!
That's right, goblins. I think this is your stop.
Oh, just a bit longer. You know I love trains.
Oh, why didn't I think of that?
I hope you enjoyed the picnic, Skittles.
The picnic was great. But we didn't get to ride on the train.
Maybe we could go tomorrow.
But we wanted to go today.
Oh, that sounds like the Toyland Express.
Now, who wanted a train ride?
Yes, please!
Hello, Mr. Beetle. Off we go. You know what to do, don't you?
Woo, woo.
You can do better than that, Sly. Show him how it's done, Skittles.
Woo!